Alrighty folks, welcome back to another episode with Born to Fish Outer Banks. I'm Abdullah Kaplan. If you guys new here on channel, I do mostly like inshore fishing and kayak or paddleboard fishing here in North Carolina, Bucks, North Carolina on Sound Side, and I do surf fishing as well here in Oceanside. And so today's game plan is I brought a bigger rod. I'll be casting out there, you know, just in case there's some bigger fish lurking around. And I have a smaller rod as well, which I'm going to be mainly going for sea mullet and small, basically bait or game fish. And just using, honestly, going both ways to make sure that we're catching some fish. But yeah, anyways, guys, I have my Daiwa MCast 12-foot rod with my what's my reel? Let me Pan Clash 5. That's Pan Clash 2 5000. The 20-pound braided line, and I'm using my own made rig, single rigs here, and the braid I'm using is 20-pound braided line, and the other rod is a 9-foot, I believe. I just purchased this rod recently, guys, so I don't know much about. It's a Okuma Rockaway SP, and that's a 9-foot rod. It's actually mostly for, built for like speckled trout fishing and small game fish. So that's the reason why I'm going to be using this rod mostly. And I attached a Daiwa BG 2500 size reel to it, but 20-pound braided line. And I'm using double dropper rig, which I'm making by myself as well. And I'm mostly using them for pompano. But I mean, they work just pretty fine, just okay for sea mullet or black drum as well. So the bait of choice is going to be shrimp, guys, fresh shrimp, and I salted them, which actually kind of like drains their water moisture in a little bit, and that way shrimp stays a little better longer on your hook. And yeah, that's the game day plan, guys. I'm not gonna talk too much, and wish me good luck. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, please go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get fishing. Let's do this. All right, so I'm gonna start with that smaller rod, guys. I have that shrimp peeled and salted the way I said. I'm gonna just cut that shrimp in half and thread it on their hooks. And the hooks that I'm using are octopus circle hook. These are size 3 circle hooks. They're kind of slightly bigger, honestly, I might actually change them to smaller hooks later on, but I'm gonna just start with that size 3 octopus circle hooks, and we'll see how they work. If they're just too big for the fish that we are going after, the way I said, we're going to aim sea mullet and small basically game fish on this rod. And we'll see if it's, if that reel or hooks are too big for that type of fishing, we'll just switch it to something else. All right, there goes the small rod in there, guys, and we'll wait. Wish me good luck, guys. Let's do this. Hopefully we get some fish today. Oh, that was a hit. Oh. Is it on? Oh yeah, we got something, guys. We got something. We got something on that bigger rod. Is it on still? I don't feel it. Oh yeah, there you go. Feel some head shakes now. We definitely did get something here. Is it still on? What is this? Small sheepshead or something? Or a small black drum? Could be a sea mullet too, honestly, I don't know. Small sea mullet. Yeah, still, oh yeah. We got it. Still here. Still feel the head shakes. Keeper sheepshead. Nice, hell yeah. Nice size sheepshead, actually, not too bad. I mean, not too bad at all. Oh god. Just pooped a bunch. Oh god. Just sprayed all over my hand. Look at that, guys. First fish off today. That's a small baby sheepshead. I mean, it's kind of like close to 10 inches, Well, I'm not keeping fish, so we're gonna let him go. Thanks for the bite, dude. Go! Oh, was it a bite? Oh. Yep, got a fish on, guys. Man, on small rod. Got a fish on. Oh, nice. That is something big. What is that? It's on top of water. Pufferfish? Oh man, I think that's what it is. I think that's a small tiny pufferfish. Is it? Is that what I think it is? Let's bring it in. It's fighting. Oh no! That's a small shark. Smooth dogfish. They've been all over everywhere, honestly, last a few days. And yeah, there you go. We got our friend, guys. Second fish of the day. That's a small tiny baby shark. There you go, guys. They're beautiful sharks though. They're really strong too. I mean, the fact that they're tiny. Look at that. How beautiful is that? I'm gonna let him go. Hey, go boy. Thanks for the bite. Oh, what's going on here? Oh. I did get some slack on my line, guys. Do I have fish on? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. There's a fish. Small rod again. Hope it's not one of the dogfish again. What? It swam in though. Oh wow. That's something big. Oh wow, that is something big. Fighting pretty good. Come here. Come here. Feel the head shakes. That's something good. Come here. What is that? He swam in after he ate it. Come here. What is that? Haven't seen it yet. I have not seen it yet. 15-pound braided line. Oh. Is it? Is that a stingray? Yep. Alright. That's what it is. Skate. Third species of the day. We got a sheepshead. We got a shark. And we got a skate. Alright, let it go. Well, thanks God we got our dehooker. There you go. Good boy. Ooh. Oh man. There you go, our guy. Here it is. Go. I'm getting bites there, I think. That bigger rod is getting. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Is it on? Oh no! There's fish on, but we snagged up to something. Oh yeah, there you go. It's off. Do we still have the fish on? I'm not sure if we still have the fish on. I'm not sure if we still have the fish on. Feel something heavy. Oh yeah. I feel something heavy definitely. What that could be. What that could be. That's something heavy. Got a sheepshead? Oh yeah. Yep, another sheep's head. Another sheep's head. Second sheep's head of the day. Oh man, let's see. I was definitely snagged up on something there. And there was that bird was chasing the sheep's head. Was trying to eat the sheep's head. Alright, there you go, guys. Am I recording, by the way? Yeah, okay. Second sheep's head of the day, guys. A sheep's head, a skate, and a dogfish. That's a really weird combination. Alright, thanks, dude. Oh, there's a fish on here. Am I recording? Am I recording? Oh wow, that's a good fish. Alright, that's a good fish. I wasn't sure if I was recording, honestly, because I did stop the video a couple times. Was it that? Is that not a shark? Is that not a shark? Got no idea. It's fighting hard though. That could be another shark, yeah. If it's not a stingray or not a skate. What is that? It's right here. Oh yeah. Another shark. Oh man. Cannot believe that. Alright dude, alright dude, alright dude, alright. A little bit bigger, but just exactly same species as the first shark. Oh man, that's such rubbery mouth. Come on, let it go. There you go, guys. Just another smooth nose or whatever, smooth dog shark. There you go. Almost same size as the first one. Second shark for today. Thanks, dude. Oh, quick! Holy cow, what is that? Oh wow, what is that? Goodness! What is that? Sorry. What is that? That's definitely not a shark. Hopefully it's a really nice size sea mullet. Hope it's in the sea mullet. Come on. Is that what it is? Yeah! Nice sea mullet! Hell yeah! Nice sea mullet. Okay. Alright guys. Fifth fish of the day. Fifth species actually. Is it like fourth species? Yeah. Yeah, and it's a really nice size sea mullet. I'm gonna hold on to him actually. Yeah. I'm gonna take him to home. Coming home with us. Oh, there you go, there you go. There you go. That's another sea mullet. That's another nice sea mullet, guys, I believe. That was a nice hit. Oh man. Okay. Awesome. I was waiting for the second one. Hope it's another sea mullet though. Is it? Yeah. Just another really nice sea mullet. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. That is just amazing. Let me show you guys. Almost same size as the first one, but I think first one was just a little bigger. It's not too bad at all. Beautiful fish. Second sea mullet. All right, let's go. Oh, Emre, there's another fish. Can you leave him a message, Emre? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Holy cow! Wayne, you know the nice sea mullet? Holy cow! They are chewing! Yeah, we have to call Jim. Oh man. Third sea mullet in last 15 minutes. And I bet that's another really nice one. Hope we're not gonna lose him. Is it? Nice one. Yeah. Another nice sea mullet. Almost same size as the first one, guys. Let me show you guys. Then we're gonna go for another cast. Same size as the first one. Beautiful fish. We're recording. Oh yeah, nice. All right, sea mullet, sea mullet. God, 3 sea mullets back to back. That's amazing. Woo-wee. Finally. Oh, holy cow. What is that? Goodness. No way. What is that? That is crazy. That has to be something better. That has to be something better. It's either a massive sea mullet or it's double header. Maybe we got 2 at a time. Did we get 2 of them at the same time? Oh wow. Guys, that's something good. Almost yanked the rod out of my hand. Sea mullet? Oh yeah! Man, that's a massive one. Definitely the best one so far. Oh wow! Come on. Nice sea mullet, guys. Nice sea mullet. That's definitely the best one so far. Best one for today. Beautiful one, like 13-14 incher. That's some really nice quality sea mullet. Oh wow. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. There you go. That's a fish. That's a fish. Is it on? Oh yeah. Got him. Yep. That's another sea mullet, I think. Nice. It took kind of a long time, honestly, to get that bite. It's another nice one. Another nice one. Oh wow. Fighting pretty good. Fighting really nice. Come here. Puffer fish! What is that? That's species number, what, 4 or 5? Puffer! Yeah! Oh man! I'm gonna let him go. Do you want him, Jim? Yeah, I'm gonna let him go. It is an orange one, guys. I never seen a. I've seen him, but I never seen one of them that is like that orange. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Check this out. Look at that orangey color there. Beautiful fish. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna let him go. Thanks for the bite, dude. Should we keep him, Quinn? Should we keep him? Yeah, okay, I'll let him go then. Oh, 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 oh. Is it on? Oh yeah, yep. Sea mullet or black drum? I got no idea. That was way far out there though. Huh. Whatever it is a nice one. Nice fish. Definitely a nice fish. Mullet? Oh yeah. Woo-wee. Oh wow. Jim. Not bad. Yeah. There you go, guys. That's 5th one for today. That's one of the biggest one definitely for today. Alright. 5th. Jim. Way out there. Way out there. Alright, I don't need that many fish, guys. I'm gonna give this to Jim. Already had enough, definitely. That goes to him. What was that? That's six sea mullet off today. Jim, I had enough. There's something going on here? Oh yeah. Oh, Jim, there's something big here. Yep. I have something big here.
Who makes that rod?
Huh?
Who makes that rod?
The Iowa
What number is that one?
M-cast. Oh yeah, that's something better. That's a better fish. Oh, heavy. Really heavy. Fighting. He's fighting. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. Oh no. Yep. That's for number 2 for today. Number 2 for today. Oh man. But he was a black drum. Was so excited. Oh man. Oh well. It's just something. I let him go. Alright boy. Alright. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'll let you go. Hold on. Yep. Number 2 for today. Thanks for the bite, I guess. Stayed like 2 or 3 hours. Well, I stayed way longer than I wanted, honestly. But yeah, overall, we did pretty good, honestly. We caught 6 sea mullets. We got 2 sheep's heads. I don't remember, honestly, how many fish we got. If you kept the count, comment below, let me know. Yeah, but yeah, it was a beautiful day. Hopefully you guys had fun as well. And by the way, I wish every single one of you a beautiful and amazing 2023. Hopefully you have an absolutely blessed of a year. But yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for tuning in, and please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.